I'm with Tommaso Corcos, CEO of Eurizon, to discuss the future of asset management in Europe. MiFID II comes into effect in January 2018. How is the asset management industry going to change?
There are certain changes that are definitely important. One is product governance, the second is further transparency, and the third point is the unbundling of research. Let me say that MiFID II ran the risk to bring an effect on the profitability of the asset management. An asset management company must answer to this challenge, becoming more prone to transform themselves, not only creating the investment solution, but giving a continuous, a better service to the distributors of their own product. Another point that certainly is relevant for MiFID II is the fact that the asset management company will be more responsible for the whole life of the product. Also, a better connection and stricter connection between producer and distributors. And this is something that the asset management company must exploit to improve service that they give to the distributors and to the final customers.
So how have you been working to prepare for this, to improve your transparency, your communication with your stakeholders?
We've been working hard with our distributors to prepare a template that will be given to the final customers in terms of transparency. And also, we are working with them to improve the final content that will be given to the retail investor or to the institutional investor. And so this is something that for us has been very relevant.
You're exploring investment opportunities in illiquid assets. What's driving this?
We are looking to have a more important role in sustaining the development of the real economy. As you know, the banking system is transforming rapidly. There are more issues coming from regulatory environment, and I think that there is a gap in terms of financing to the long-term project mostly that can be covered by companies like the asset management industry. I'm thinking about infrastructure project, I'm thinking about real estate development, I'm thinking also about the possibility, mostly in markets like the Italian ones, that comes after a year of financial crisis, to work on NPL issues, on non-performing loans. So this is something that asset management company can exploit to improve the capabilities of offering more products, mostly to the institutional investor, more than retail ones.
What kind of products will you be offering?
I'm thinking about real estate debt product, about leverage loans, about non-performing loans product that mostly in countries like Italy or Spain are the type of products from which you can get an interesting yield, mostly in an environment like this in which the yield on assets are still pretty low.
What else does the future hold for Eurizon?
We should be more international. We are the leader in Italy. We are doing very well in China, where we manage almost 80 billion of euro. We set up another initiative in China, in the province of Qingdao. We bought a company in London, and we are very happy on how the things are evolving. We set up branches in France and Germany, and so this is a clear tendency to become and be more and more international, and this is certainly the direction for Eurizon.
Tommaso, thank you very much.
Paul, thank you very much.
If you started here, go back and watch the first half of our interview with Tommaso on Eurizon's ESG strategy. So please subscribe or click the thumbnail to watch that. And for the latest business, finance and strategic insights transforming Europe, make sure your future includes some time at EuropeanCEO.com.